putting my birdhouses together, I like to use a wood glue, and preferably I'm using a 1x. I want to use probably a 1 5/8 inch screw or 4.13 centimeter. I like to use outdoor or deck screws. What I do is, this is kind of loose. The long side, the top side sit on the very edge of the long side. I'll show you. I watch the kerf of the wood. The kerf. Okay. Put a little bead around the edge. Just light bead, nothing heavy, to help y'all last longer and maintain that grip. Something like that right there. Nothing serious. What I'll do, I use 2 screws for each side. I'll basically put it together. I use a propper. I'll basically put it together like so. Make sure everything's even out. My screws are in. Some people use a pre-drill hole or tap the hole. I just go at it real slow. Try not to split the wood. I come about a half inch or inch from the edge. Not too tight. You'll want to split the wood. If you were too tight chainsaw, you'll split the wood. Now that's my roof.